In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a WordPress blog with Hostinger in 2025. If you're ready to dive into the world of blogging, Hostinger provides a straightforward, user-friendly platform that will help you get set up quickly. Whether you're new to blogging or just exploring different providers, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's head over to Hostinger's main website. It's the first stop on our journey to getting your blog up and running. Opening a web browser of your choice, simply type in the web address for Hostinger. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on a vibrant and dynamic site that hosts a variety of options for web hosting. It's your starting point to navigate easily through the setup. Once you're on Hostinger's homepage, the next thing you want to do is look for the Websites section. This is typically located at the top of the page or within a menu. Clicking on this will take you to a more specific area where you have a range of website management options. Here's where your journey truly begins as you start configuring your new WordPress blog. Now let's click on Edit Website. This action opens up a new window on Hostinger's dashboard, where you can see all the tools available for customizing your new site. This section is pivotal, as it allows you to make changes, updates, and enhancements to your blog. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find navigating through the options intuitive and straightforward. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you should find a tab labeled Blog. Click on it. This side panel is a powerful feature, giving you instant access to the tools you need to manage your blog content. It enables you to do everything from editing existing posts, reviewing drafts, and most importantly for us today, creating new blog posts. Finally, we arrive at the exciting part of adding a new post. Hit the Add New Post button, and a new editor window will pop open. This is where your creativity comes alive. Use this space to craft your content, add titles, write paragraphs, insert images, and format your blog post to fit your style. The editor is easy to use, and with a bit of experimentation, you'll quickly become comfortable crafting posts that reflect your individuality and voice. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've just set up your very own WordPress blog on Hostinger. It's time to express yourself and share your ideas with the world. Happy blogging, and may your creative journey be fulfilling and fun.